The purpose of this video is to walk you through the process of creating a simple tally report, and also to take that PDF and convert it into an Excel spreadsheet so you can have Excel do some number counting for you. So the first step in the whole process is to come up to the upper right hand corner and switch from the current school year of 2015 to the next school year of 2016. So I choose it from the drop down menu and I say OK. I'll double check and I'll notice now it's telling me I'm in the next year database. To run a simple tally, I'm going to go to Scheduling Center. Simple tally is a form of a report, and it is about information prior to running the scheduler, so it's in the pre-scheduler folder, and here it is, simple tally. So I'll click on it, and now I tell the system what the criteria is. In this case, I want to run it for stadium, so that's 230. Yearly scheduling, keep it set to that. You want to make sure the request type, you probably most of the time just want to see the actual course request, not the alternates, but you do certainly have the choice if you want it to run by alternates or just the course alternates or all of it all together. I'm going to choose just regular student requests, and I want it to organize the data by grade level. Then I'm going to come down to the filter section, and I'm going to tell it that I want to look at currently active students only. So I'm going to choose demographic, current status equals A. And under the sort banner, I want the courses to be sorted first by department and then by course code. So I'm going to select the area of courses, the field name of department, and sort in ascending order. Likewise, the area is still going to be courses. Now the field name is course and also ascending. The blue run option, that's an option on most of the reports in eSchoolPLUS. You can leave it at now and click run and it will run right away. If this is a report, and this is something you might think about during the heavy initial start of course requests and simple tallies, is you might want to set it up to run daily. Maybe you want to set it to run at 4:30 p.m. every day. That way you come in the morning and you have the simple tally for the day before, and you can see the progress over the couple of weeks that you're collecting and processing your course requests. For right now, I'm just going to run it now, so I'm going to click that button. I'm going to hit run. You're taken back to your My Home page, and just like any report in eSchoolPLUS, it's going to get processed by the server. And once it's done, it's going to show up in your report section. I ran this one right before doing this video, so I'm going to click on Simple Tally. And here I have my simple tally that I just ran. You'll always get this, basically a demographic information sheet about the report. I like to click on the papers or pages icon in Acrobat Reader, and I'll right click and delete this first page. And yes, I do want to get rid of it. Now here I have my simple tally. I have it organized. Notice here's the column department. So English department is number 1, so it's at the top. Then I have the math department and so on. And then inside a department, they're in course code order. Now at this point, I would recommend that you save your report to your computer. And I'm going to just save it to my desktop as an example right now. Because the next step I want to show you is how to convert, if you're interested, that simple tally into an Excel spreadsheet. So I've saved it to my desktop. I'm going to close out of Acrobat Reader and minimize eSchoolPLUS. To do this step, you will need to download a piece of software. It's called PDF2XL, and it's the evaluation version because it's the free version. and it will convert up to a spreadsheet that's 3 pages long. Very simple, and it's free. To use it, all I need to do is come over to the Open, and I'm going to find the spreadsheet which I saved. Here's my Stadium sample. So I'm going to open that one. And notice here's the PDF in the window. I can use the magnifying button to get it a little bigger if I need to. And to convert this, all I'm going to do is take the cursor and I'm going to highlight the table. Notice it interpreted all 3 pages as a table, and right down here is a preview. So I have the course code, the description, and I have the numbers, the counts. And the one thing I want to do is I'm going to highlight these columns because they're actually numbers, and I'm going to right click, column format is a number. So notice it says, that way Excel will interpret it correctly, and I click convert button. And I say convert again. So it's changing the PDF into an Excel spreadsheet. Granted, this is the free version, so it's always going to give you a little plug to buy the software. I just highlight it and I delete it. So here I have the data, and I'm going to get rid of some of those decimal places. And now I have a spreadsheet that I can use the power of Excel to help me do some calculations.